Hello everyone, it's Mahdi Hassan. I built an web app for Figma Makeathon. Let me tell you the backstory of that app. I was very wondered how was my grandpa's life actually like, and how they lead their life, and how was the lifestyle. So there's no way that I could see those memories. But in the new era of technology, we can build that thing. So I build an web app for that. Like I can create my own life journey, like a map. So my future generation could see my whole life journey. If I go to this seal your legacy, it will bring you to the scriptorium. You can write your title, story one. You can upload picture, like a picture. You can record your own voice, like hello, this is your grandfather or grandfather, I don't know. And you can write a description here, like this is story one. Press to seal and it will seal that memory and into the vita map. As you can see, here is your memory one, story one. You can like create your journey on that vita map. So there is another feature like story to private. You can upload another picture from the gallery. You can record your own voice. This is private story. You can log that story until specific date. So if I press to seal, as you can see, boom, it's create a logged memory that you can only see that on a specific date. So if I want to my generation, like they could see this on my 17th birthday, so it will logged until my 17th birthday, whatever if I live or die. So thanks for watching. Give it a try and let me know your feedback.